Struggling with restless nights? Wondering how to reset your sleep cycle? What if just 7 days could bring back your perfect sleep? Hello and welcome. Sleep is one of the most crucial pillars of good health. Yet, in today's fast-paced world, sleep problems have become a global epidemic. Did you know that lack of sleep can wreak havoc on your heart, throw your hormones off balance, fog your mind, and lower your productivity? Many of us are stuck in a cycle of sleepless nights and groggy days. But what if I told you that in just 7 days, you could reset your sleep and start feeling refreshed and revitalized? This guide walks you through a powerful 7-day plan designed to improve your sleep patterns. By the end of this week, you'll be well on your way to enjoying healthier, more restful nights. Let's dive in. Day 1 to Day 3. Laying the foundation. The first few days are all about creating a strong foundation for better sleep. The goal here is simple: shift your sleep time earlier, little by little. Steps for Day 1 to Day 3. Step number 1. Gradually shift your sleep time. Start by going to bed just 15 minutes earlier each day. For example, if you normally sleep at 11 p.m., aim for 10:45 p.m. on Day 1, then 10:30 p.m. on Day 2, and 10:15 p.m. on Day 3. This slow shift will make it easier for your body to adjust without feeling like you're making a drastic change. Step number 2. Get morning light. As soon as you wake up, get outside and expose yourself to natural light. Morning sunlight is essential for regulating your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells your body when to wake up and when to sleep. Studies show that light exposure early in the day helps to increase melatonin production at night, making it easier to fall asleep naturally. Step number 3. Eat melatonin-boosting foods. Support your body's melatonin production by incorporating melatonin-boosting foods into your evening meals. Foods like cherries, almonds, pistachios, and milk are rich in melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. This is a simple yet effective way to signal your body that it's time to rest. Here's the plan for Day 4 to Day 6. Day 4 to Day 6 plan is mind and body management. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to dig deeper into your routines, focusing on how to manage your mind and body for optimal sleep. Steps for Day 4 to Day 6. Step number 1. Create a calming sleep environment. A restful environment is key to better sleep. About an hour before bed, dim your lights to cue your brain that it's time to wind down. Commit to a 90-minute digital detox: no screens, no phone, no TV. Why? Studies show that blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production and tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Instead, engage in calming activities like reading a book, listening to soothing music, or lighting a scented candle. Aromatherapy with scents like lavender has been proven to promote relaxation and enhance sleep quality. Step number 2. Add morning stretches. Incorporate gentle stretches into your morning routine to energize your body. Start with the child's pose for 1 minute to stretch your back, then move into the cat-cow pose to activate your spine. Finish with the butterfly pose to stretch your legs. Stretching improves blood circulation and helps you feel more awake and ready to face the day. Step number 3. Time your dinner. Your body needs time to digest and repair before sleep. Aim to finish dinner at least 2 hours before bedtime, or ideally 4 hours, to avoid disrupting your sleep. A lighter, earlier meal can make a huge difference in how deeply you sleep. Plan for Day 7. Putting it all together. By the final day, you should feel more in control of your sleep routine. Now, it's all about bringing everything together for lasting results. Steps for Day 7. Step number 1. Stick to a morning routine. Continue your morning stretches or go for a walk within 30 minutes of waking up. Getting early sunlight, preferably before 8 a.m., is still crucial for setting your body's internal clock. Morning exercise boosts energy levels and helps set a positive tone for the day. Step number 2. Follow your evening routine. Stick to the same pre-sleep routine you've built over the last few days. Dim the lights, avoid screens, and continue with the calming activities that help you wind down. Be consistent with your sleep time and wake-up time to lock in your new rhythm. Here is the conclusion. Improving your sleep is one of the most impactful things you can do for your health, and it doesn't take long to see results. By following this 7-day plan, you've not only reset your sleep cycle but also built habits that will keep you sleeping soundly night after night. Remember, creating lasting change doesn't happen overnight, but with these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering your sleep and transforming your health. Ready to transform your health by improving your sleep? If you're following this 7-day plan, share your progress with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.